the KNGCSU, that is Kianambak Government College Student Union. We appreciate the government for exempting our state from the CUET undergraduate level. So under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Kyrchaan, and our Education Minister, Shri Rakam. So we have seen their work that they truly are a leader of our state. They have exempted, that is the third consecutive time from CUET. So once again, we appreciate the government. We thank the government for exempting our state. And we have seen that many of the students, they appreciate the government for this, for their work, which they are able to get into colleges. So thank you for the government for their work. Also, I would like to thank the government for this state university, which they are seeking UGC permission to recognize this state university. So I think the government has seen the problem of our student of our state. So they have wider mind than us. So they have implemented this state university, and I appreciate for that also that the government are thinking about us also, the student. So for this also, I think it will be much more helpful for all the students of the state. So for this also, I really appreciate the government for the work. So once again, I thank our government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Kyrchaan, and our Education Minister, Shri Rakam. So thank you.